Say what, Negro? Hey, we're not about to entertain y'all.
I just think he's just like having it, like his mama.
I think she could have been on the back of the truck. Yeah. Oh Lord. It was a minute. It was a minute, babe. They couldn't have died that quick. They couldn't have died that quick.
They ain't all the way big. It's water. It's dry,
Hey man. What's that? A miracle oil or something?
And then I got this added to the water, so I guess I just keep pouring it in here and then turn the water on. You want this?
Oh, it's flooded. Yeah, we gotta give him those, what you call it?
Oh, you want the flowers?
We gotta give him all of it.
You want all of it?
I don't want all of it.
You can take that. Yeah, but I need to water the garden with this for that extra nutrient for them.
Alright, I have fun. We're doing Caleb. What you got over there now? Oh, okay. What kind of seeds are those? There's the chicken coop. There's Kaylin's chicks. That's the Ice Browns, Cornish crosses. What? Yeah, I think that's too many seeds.
Well, guess what they're gonna do?
That's what mine look like. That is what, buddy. Are you right? Are you writing the name on the side of them?
Yeah.
As you go.
C on the side of that.
A C. You gotta be more specific than that, man.
Man, what you mean? Call it C. You wanna write a CO? A CD?
Try call a caller or.
Man, you
Oh.
need to do a lot of writing. I ain't wrote this much since I was in school.
You'll be alright. Good morning. Well, it cracked inside of the phone case. Yeah, it wasn't no Autobox. It wasn't Autobox. It was some other. I forgot. Yeah, like a little shell. I forgot. But it's an update on Easter. Easter. Planted some flowers. Yeah, man. Plant some hemp around the house. Put some fertilizer. We cleared this section. Got some the onions coming up good.
X-Bug.
I think it might have been just the sand. I'm not sure. Anyway,
There you go.
got the cabbage coming up. And those are the other onions that we didn't transfer. And we got beans coming up. The little beans. Little beans.
Which one you showing the beans?
Little bean right there.
Right here?
Yep. The aloe vera is
Still eating itself.
yeah, it's eating itself. And we got peppers up here. One pepper coming up. Let's see here. Let's show y'all the update. Oh, dang, I forgot. We planted a whole lot of stuff last night. Kaylin got some chicks. Those Isa Browns. Isa Browns, ISA Brown. Whoa, Kaylin Jr. Kaylin Jr. be on it.
Why I gotta be a meat chicken? Y'all gonna kill me?
Cause you a meathead.
Babe, your friends in the back of you.
Who behind?
They're trying to come to you.
They liking their new little house. Light skinned Keisha and Aisha. And those are our first batch of meat chicks. We're probably gonna get another batch in about 2 weeks. So we can offset it when we start processing them and having our big old cookouts. Oh, we put the chicken wire around this backside. So they gonna, the idea is we want them to be able to freely get in and out. In and out. Once they become a certain size, they won't be able to get back into this one. Then we're gonna build another one right here. Once they get a certain size, they can get over here and get back in, but they won't be back over there. Then they get too big, they won't be able to get back in here, but they can get over there. Let me take you over here. Oh, little buddy, watch out now. Yeah, got a sweet banana pepper. Oh. All right. Them beagles, they ain't running nothing. We got a hot banana pepper. It's looking good, There's another one. That's a nice Mustang. We got the shishito sweet pepper, and I planted a flower beside it because it broke. Well, I broke it, so I planted it. They sound good if they is running. And we got some early girl tomatoes. So it's pepper, tomato. Oh, what we're planting here? Cabbage?
Mm-hmm.
We're planting cabbage in the middle. And those are tomatoes. There's like a footprint in there, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
Like a little print. But I saw some doo-doo over there that kind of looked like a bear. I ain't gonna lie. It was like on the other side of that kennel. Like kind of like between the chicken house and that pallet. It was kind of rough looking. What we got here? A hot banana. And a poblano. Uncle. Hot pepper. This one? Yeah. It's supposed to rain real good this evening, so you don't gotta go heavy on the water. I know that's one thing we gotta get good at is checking the forecast. So we can save on the water bill. I told you, it looked crazy. We got some tomatillos, some collards, squash. That's the salad green mixture. Watermelons. What are you planting, Kayla? Watermelon, squash, collards, salad.